The polishing lathes from Joki impress with their extremely powerful motors. These have a maximum output 0.6 up to 4 kilowatts depending on the model. They can therefore be used to easily carry out all tough and demanding rotating work such as cutting, deburring, brushing, grinding, and polishing. Depending on the model, the speed can be varied in 3 levels, from 50 to 2,800 RPM. In order to guarantee full safety with the powerful motors, the lathes are equipped with special electromagnetic brakes. They stop the device almost immediately in an emergency or when the protective cover is opened. The workpieces are clamped with a powerful 3-jaw chuck. Even thin and long workpieces can be clamped without any problems. The clamping jaws can be varied if necessary. The devices work maintenance-free, are not susceptible to failure, and are very durable. They're also characterized by high concentricity. This and the wide range of accessories make them the perfect tool for any workshop that requires robust work. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us or visit our shop.